Hey YouTube, it's John. Hey, you know, one thing I didn't anticipate when I built this planter box is my oak tree filling out so big. So my plants didn't do so well. I got a lot of tomatoes out of it, but it just wasn't enough sunlight. So what we're going to do today is we're going to move it. I didn't bury it in the ground. It's just sitting on there. So it should be easy enough to just flip it over, and then we can reuse the dirt and we'll move it to a sunnier spot. So stay tuned. Sometimes it doesn't work out and you just gotta fix it. So now these plants that I pulled, I'm just gonna leave them in there because when we move it, I can lay those on the bottom and we can use that as some filler. So let's see if we can dislodge this thing. Oh, that's heavy. That's heavy. All right, let's see what we got. And that's why you make them portable. Later on, if I grow some plants that only need half a day's sun, then I could just pick it up and put it back. All right, let's get this thing moved. Now, what we want to make sure is we leave enough space between these planters to get my mower through there. Well, that's it. We'll move some dirt. Have us another planter box over here. Now we got our box moved. We're going to need a little bit of weed cloth on the bottom, and I just used cardboard boxes. So I didn't have too many, but I'll use what I got. And we'll just lay this down, and you know, I don't really think the grass would grow up through 16 inches of soil anyway, but it's a good way to get rid of your cardboard boxes. So we'll just spread these out. We may be able to recycle a few boxes from the other pile of dirt, but I don't know. It'll be quite an adventure to see how much those boxes actually broke down. They've only been in there for one season, so they're probably just wet cardboard. Throw one more over in that corner. At least we got something in there. Oh, that was a good box. Okay, so that's a little bit anyway. Now we'll go get some filler. We're not going to be able to fill this up using that other pile of dirt because of course some of it's going to stay there and we're going to spread it out. So I'm going to go get some other filler from the cow pasture and maybe from the horse barn, and we'll put a nice bottom layer on here. Let's get it on. So we're not going to waste these dead tomato plants. I put in some manure in the bottom of that, and then I'm going to layer this on top, and then we'll throw the dirt on top of there. That way this stuff will just break down and compost itself. Good recycling. Okay, let's go get some dirt. For those of you who are skeptical about the cardboard, it's gone. It completely disintegrated. And I had put the cardboard on this area pretty darn thick. So we'll just smooth this out a little bit, and we'll let the grass grow back. I think later on this is going to be a chicken coop area since it's so nice and shady. You can see there are some pieces. This was the tape on the cardboard. Of course, that's not going to disintegrate. That's why you want your cardboard as clean as possible. Now I'll link another video to this one where I built this raised bed. It was in the winter time, so I didn't realize this tree was going to get so bushy. And you can see how much cardboard I put on the bottom of this thing. I mean, it was double layered. And it's pretty amazing that it's now gone. And that's only one season. I made this last winter. Okay, good as new. We'll let the next rains give this a good soaking, and the grass will fill in quick. And you'd never know that I made that mistake. So our new garden bed is complete. We got plenty of dirt in here, so we don't need to add anything. Any of this plastic stuff we got from that cardboard. We're just gonna set that aside. We'll pull this grass out of here. We got enough of that growing in there. So that's it. We got this moved. This is going to be a better area, and we're going to try some fall planting, which I don't know what that is. So I'll have to research it. If any of you guys know, put a comment down there what I should plant here. It's going to be full sun, and this is Texas, so it's going to be full sun and it's still going to be pretty warm. So let me know. Let me know. We'll get this done together. Hey YouTube, I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for joining me on Hoof and Homestead. If you like the content, hit that thumbs up button. Keep us up in the algorithm. Subscribe, I'd like that too. And I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day.